Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that once there was a dispute between Abad bin Zama'a, may Allah be pleased with him, the son of a female servant of Zama'a, and Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas, may Allah be pleased with him. Both came to the service of the Prophet Mohammed S.A.W. to resolve the matter. Abad bin Zama'a stated, O Messenger of Allah, he is my brother, the son of my father's female servant. He was born on my father's bed. On the other hand, Saad bin Abi Waqqas said, he is my brother, and my brother has left instructions that when you reach Makkah, take hold of the son of Zama'a's female servant, because he is my son. When the Prophet Mohammed S.A.W. saw the child, he noticed a strong resemblance to Uthba. Then the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, O Abad, this child is yours. Stones are for the immoral, and O Saad, you should maintain a veil with him. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23001.